Welcome to American Verdict Vault. Today, we take you inside the high-speed world of a docket call session. You'll witness a judge managing dozens of cases in record time ranging from drug possession to fugitives fleeing justice. Watch how the court balances strict legal enforcement with powerful life lessons, distinguishing between those seeking redemption and those attempting to evade the law. Let's head into the courtroom.
So does he have ignition interlock?
He has the ignition interlock and the PAM device. So he has
Sorry, ignition interlock and what?
and the PAM. So he has supervision on both ends when he's not in the vehicle and also the ignition interlock.
All right, court is calling 2026 CI 04239 N. Ray Roland Almaguer. Could I have parties announced?
Florence, State.
Orlando passed the known for defense.
All right, state, this is amended petition for occupational driver's license. Do you have any objections?
Not on. Well, that's better.
All right, then where are we on discovery?
And so this is our first setting. We're filing a request for the standard blood discovery and doing that both by order in the 3914.
All right, I need a 60-day reset for discovery.
Good.
All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, your excuse.
Thank you.
Next.
Oh, yeah. So,
Page 3, fifth one down, Tiger Chicken.
Tyler Shipman.
Summons.
Where's your client?
Since they have been filed this week, and then I'll probably reach all the file. And I think we have,
Obviously, it's going to be very slow today. I see it.
yeah, to fill those things. This statement has to be filed.
All right, so where are we on the blood discovery?
I conferred with Ms. Galloway. She said that she contacted DPS and they're about a 60-day delay. So maybe 60 days.
Norma, this is to be recalled for discovery, June 8th. All right, once you sign the reset form, your excuse.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Judge, I said it's on the thing. I'm not sure if you're calling
Oh,
names up.
she's gonna
Okay.
give me the names next. Who's next?
Off page 2, fourth one down, Alexander Questions.
Oh, that's perfect. Nice to meet you.
All right, Alexandria Fuentes.
So, and I spoke to my client and let them know what was going on. I'm appearing for Robert on this one this morning. So she had a competency and a sanity evaluation done.
Mhm.
My understanding of the events is we have the competency evaluation. We don't have the sanity evaluation. back
There was
yet.
supposed to be an NGR plea on this. You can have a seat. It appears that something physically is wrong. Who's the state on Alexandria Fuentes?
Okay, myself, Judge.
All right, my understanding that this was supposed to be an NGRI plea in magistrate's court, that their doctor already said that she was insane at the time of the.
Oh, do we have the report? Robert told me this morning that he hadn't seen the report. I don't know.
That's what I have in the notes, NGR I plea in magistrate's court and state is to review because you all wanted to know whether you all wanted your doctor to interview her as well.
I think it was on. Let me check my notes, Judge.
I'll,
Stand by.
I'll talk with Brandon about it, Judge.
Norma, on Alexandra Fuentes, I have notes that the end, oh, you can have a seat, miss. I have notes that the sanity evaluation had been completed. Can you check to see where that is? All right, who's next?
Nine, one, Michael Moore.
What's,
Michael Mora.
We're ready, Judge.
1, 2, 0.
Yes. I mean, if it's a probation hearing, then I need to see the file.
Judge, this is actually a compliance hearing. It's an update from his last compliance hearing, a couple of months ago.
Yes.
Mr. Moore is doing really well. As, we reported last compliance hearing,
Mhm.
he, is abstaining from all use. He's working. He's reporting as he should be. His UAs have been negative. His officer said he's doing really fairly well. He is on the wait list for the mental health unit. And he is complying with all of his medications with the Center for Health Care Services. There is one concern he has. He's needing to get some dental work done. So trying to pull some resources for him to do that because the lack of insurance. But he's good.
Well, I'm glad you're doing well.
It's been a negative week, so this is nice to hear.
Yeah, this is awesome. So, with the dental, have you checked with felony drug court? Because usually they'll have resources.
You can ask him.
The other thing I was thinking, Judge, is, sometimes they do free or cheaper dental work for the dental students at the
Yeah.
T Health Science Center. So I would check out that, Michael.
Okay, awesome. So do we need any more status updates for him?
Do you feel like you need to come back for anything?
Here's the thing. I want you to stay on track. I'm not going to be the judge who's here. And I will tell you, I've been accused of being too lenient,
Yeah.
but I want you to be on track.
If you want to come back in 2 or 3 months for another compliance hearing, we can. I don't think the court will be okay with that, but if you don't want to, you don't have to.
I think maybe until he gets on the mental health unit at least.
All right. So y'all want to
3 months.
come back in 60 days, maybe?
Okay, Michael?
Okay.
All right. Well, keep up the good work.
Thank you.
And then I tell you what, before I leave this bench, we will get that dental issue taken care of.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
All right. So we'll see you back on June 8th. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Testing, testing. All right. Thank you.
You can't attach it because of HIPAA and all that.
All right. Leon Small. So what, good morning. So what is happening with him?
He is in federal custody, and he's currently got a plea deadline for May the 14th with a jury selection and trial date of May 26th. I am not representing him on that federal case, but I am obviously going to say on this case.
Okay, let me see something. Norma, schedule is for July. We'll do July.
I appreciate
what happened.
you. Maybe excused.
Well, after we get our date.
Okay. Good seeing you.
You too. All right, July 13th.
Have excuse?
Yes, if you want to.
Well, I need to catch up with you, but
Righty.
good seeing you.
All right, you two have a good one.
You had a few attorneys on, it's like, before the, Danny and, Thompson. We gotta do more.
Oh, Neil, I'm sorry. What date did you say that his jury selection was on the federal side?
May the 26th.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, you missed, I had a Zoom for my class and I had a lot of attorneys on there to talk to the students.
Yeah.
And of course, it was Old Home Week. John Cooks was on there. David McLean, David Woodard, Rick Rickerson, everybody, the old gang.
Did you tell him how you could really mess up a guy when he's getting ready to start his exam?
That is so hilarious. Everybody else had their books out except for me because I didn't have any. But yeah, hey, but a group of us for our 30th year, we're going to Paris to see Celine Dion.
Okay, well, let me know. I mean, I'm ready to travel now.
Okay.
I've gotten flip my life here. I realize I probably have more behind me than I do in front of me, so I'm
That's what I tell people.
slow it down a little bit.
So we're looking at October. So I'll let you know. All
Let me know.
right, the first thing to get our tickets, then get to Paris. And the only thing, as many times as I've been to Paris, the only thing I need to see is the 1,000 Candles of Light.
All right, well, let me
I
know.
was this close to doing it, but I doubt it. I said, surely no one is lighting 1,000 candles. I'm like, it has to be electric. I'm like, no, who's lighting? And how do you light 1,000 candles? And then we talked to the concierge and she's like, let me call. And she called and you know what she says? They actually do light 1,000 candles. She's like, but I'm sorry, you can't go because it only happens on a specific time during the week. I'm like,
Let me know. We'll do that. We'll go.
all righty,
All right, Judge. Good seeing you. You too. Have a good day.
you too. And everyone, just give me a second. I need to put a couple of things in the system.
Oh, really?
It's crooked. I like it. Sorry, everybody. Odyssey is being a little bit slow today. All right, who's next?
It's Aaron Allen.
Mr. Allen.
Aaron Allen.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing?
How are you?
I cannot complain, medical issues with family members, but
That happens.
yeah, what can you do? All right, so you hiring an attorney?
Oh,
Go ahead, Mr. Allen. Tell me what you
Hey,
want to do.
Johnny. Yes.
oh, sorry about that. No, I'm not at the moment.
All right, so
He indicated to me at the last setting that he wanted to hire an attorney. I think he's made some strides toward that,
Mhm.
but he wanted to ask the court for a couple more weeks.
all right, you're asking for 2 more weeks to hire an attorney?
If possible, yes, ma'am. If not, I was gonna ask for maybe a month, or if that's asking too much, then I'll take the 2.
All right, because we've been doing hiring an attorney since February. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make sure this attorney has all the discovery. Then we are going to reset it. State, are you prepared to make an offer in Aaron Allen?
Offer's been made.
Oh, an offer's been made?
And tendered to the client.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date and a jury trial date in 30 days.
That'd be great. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so much. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, May 11th.
I'm gonna have you sign a reset.
Thank you so much.
And counsel, if you could get an acknowledgement of discovery in this case.
I will do it.
All right, who's next?
It is Robert Pettis. He's planned to down.
Stay right there.
Thank you.
So Mr. Pettis is on a walker.
Yes,
He was injured in an accident.
yes,
Here's our situation, Judge. It is set today for the MTR.
but he has two other.
Two number ones that are not yet even in a file form for me. So we need some kind of a reset to package everything, or to at least get everything here at one time.
All right, State, how long is it going to take you with the two new number ones?
Judge, I would say if we could just get one more 30 days for that.
All right, Norma, recall this for June 8th.
Sure.
All right, does that give everybody enough time?
Yes.
Yes, Judge, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ms. Vicky.
All right.
Okay. Okay. You can start resting your hands. You have to do it.
Thank you so much. Oh, okay.
All right, Jimmy Robles Reyes. Hello, you guys are on this side. All right, and who's the state? And are you all students from St. Mary's?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to make sure we get you guys on the record. And Cindy, after we get them on the record, can you give them a printout? Something you guys can frame.
Thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 000714 State versus Jimmy Robles Reyes. Can I have parties announced for the state?
Brandon Prater for the state.
For the defense?
Aaron Diaz. Luke Kuechly. Philip Gonzalez.
All right. And are you Mr. Reyes?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. It's the court's understanding, after argument from defense counsel states you're tendering a motion to dismiss. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge, we'll be tendering a motion to dismiss and it will be.
To
refiled.
dismiss.
To
To
dismiss.
dismiss.
Yes, Judge.
All right. Any objection to the dismissal?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. All right. We can go off the record. Cindy, if you'll make sure that they get that.
So it'll be on YouTube too. So it'd be like, it'd be good.
Thank you. Oh, wait a minute. There's a second dismissal for you guys.
There's some spelling.
What are the new?
When do you guys need your phones with? Okay.
And if you all want to make you should have that as your copy, but your client will need a copy. But if you all want extra copies, you can go in the back and use the printer. All right, thank you. You're welcome. And you guys were dressed appropriately for court. Show the rest of the defense attorneys how it's done. Thank you.
Aaron Diaz, AAR1. Yeah.
Warren Klein, Brittany UHILL. Steve.
Brianna Owens, I just need your signature here.
Okay.
Oh, I signed it, Judge.
No,
Oh, it's a different one?
yeah,
What did I sign?
I think you signed this one. There are two.
Oh, there's two cases. Actually, I was told that they hired Acevedo, or gonna hire Acevedo.
Well, we will see what's happening.
Yeah, so right now I'm still on the books.
Okay.
But thank you, Judge.
Well, let's have them come up. Brianna Owens. What page is this on?
This is on page 7, 4, 5.
Hello, my understanding that you're hiring an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and when will that be accomplished?
I'm gonna contact, my family as soon as I get back to the dorm, and I'll make sure that he gets the paperwork and we've already put the money down.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 3 weeks. All right, we're gonna come back on April 30th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Judge.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, who's next?
Next, I have on sheet 3, at the very bottom, Daniel Hastings.
Daniel Hastings. That's like from Bridgerton, like the Duke of Hastings, am I right? All right. Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Victoria Schufo and Joseph Anderson from the MAC. I was informed this morning that Mr. Garza called or text that he's sick with COVID.
Okay.
And I spoke with Mr. Hastings and he still wants to have Mr. Garza as his attorney.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 30 days. Well, no, not 30 days. You're employed, correct?
Yes.
What's your work schedule?
5 days a week from 6 to 4.
All right, are you able to Zoom?
My phone's off.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this in 40 days. Will that give you time to work things out with your employer? All right, 40 days. All right, so we'll bring you back on May 19th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rather, Jesus Rodriguez is here.
All right. What page is Jesus Rodriguez on?
Page 7.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Jesus Rodriguez. Hello. How old are you?
Oh, it's 18.
All right, so here's the thing. You're gonna have to make sure that you are in time for court. Court starts at 9, so now you know where it's located and everything. You understand?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right, so are you in school? Do you have employment?
Right now I'm employed at a cashier at 7-Eleven.
No, I'm just trying to figure out what's your work schedule.
I mean, I would say normally I usually work around 12 to 5. So any morning time, I'll be free.
All right. And do you work the 5 days a week or 7 days a week?
But usually 5 days a week.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, call this and recall this in 45 days. All right, so we'll bring you back on May 25th and you know where everything is now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Who's next? Okay.
For page 5, first one.
Cindy, are you ready? All right, did you finish the other thing or you need more time?
I'm still working. I'm just doing the front pages.
Okay, I can wait for you.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
I'll send it to them. We're done.
Oh, well, we'll do a reset before we take this up. Yes.
Page 2, fourth one down, our Alex numbers. Here's.
Alexandria Fuentes?
Okay.
Yes.
So that's gonna have to be an NGRI plea. And I guess Brandon needs to go talk to David. We're gonna see if we can do it in the morning. It takes a while to get them done.
Okay.
But if we can get that way, if he can talk to David, we get it cleared, then we can start the paperwork in the morning.
Okay, because I was like, my mind's a steel trap. I was like,
I had sent him the evaluation and I've been in trial so much I forgot about it, but no, she was found,
yes,
not same.
Because that's what you all told me.
Mhm.
So what we'll do is if we set this like May 11th, you guys think you'll have some information?
Well before that.
Yes.
All right, Norma, can you put Fuentes on May 11th? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge. It's a most strong.
Yeah.
Have a good one. All right, anyone else? Okay.
Nothing. You see her awesome. And it's here. They said he's here.
Oh, great.
So. I like that.
All right, Jesse Ramirez. And probation, this is an application. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0000641, State versus Jesse Ramirez. Can I have parties announced?
Mr. Mezza for the state.
Robert Brabant, Jesse Ramirez.
Are you Mr. Ramirez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ramirez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ramirez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1B, 4,200 grams. That's a second degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison. and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. You will be allowed to withdraw your. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. No gum chewing.
Nothing.
Sure. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, he's mentally competent.
Mr. Ramirez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,200 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be $120 to the Bexar County Crime Lab for the drug testing. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No motion, Joe.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 6 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, parenting class, and regular random UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offer states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right, so why are you driving around with children in a vehicle and there are drugs in the vehicle?
It was a stupid mistake.
I'm sorry, I can't understand you.
It was a bad decision, and I honestly don't know why I was doing it.
So why, what drugs have you used in the past?
It's marijuana.
And do these children live with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And who else lives with you?
My wife.
And is she using?
Oh, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I do residential solar. I'm a residential solar installer.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,200 fine that will be probated. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There is $120 restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab for drug testing. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs or the patch. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining hours, the court will deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting completed. There's to be a TAP evaluation. Out of custody, follow recommendations. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
It's where I can do the drug tests, where I can be able to do it.
Oh, what's going to end up happening? They're going to do a TAP evaluation. So the TAP evaluation will let us know what issues you may have
Yes, ma'am.
and whether or not you need to take a drug class.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you have young children, if you're using drugs around them and they're smelling it, that's not good for them. They are growing. Their brains are growing. Everything about them is growing, and they're taking notice of everything. And if you're using drugs around them, that tells them that it's okay to use drugs. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And I don't think you want that for your children.
No, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
That's. Third one down, Judge.
I'm sorry, what page did you say this was on? That's okay.
What we witnessed today is a live demonstration of the American justice system in peak operation. The judge acted not merely as a legal official, but as a social advocate, particularly in the case of Jesse Ramirez, where she prioritized the well-being of children over simple punishment. Conversely, we saw the court's uncompromising side when dealing with fugitives like Juan Luis Mahia, where arrest warrants are issued without hesitation. This blend of human empathy and digital efficiency highlighted by the move toward a paperless court makes these sessions invaluable lessons in both law and social responsibility.